Hi, in today's video, I will show you how to make a leaderboard like this in Roblox Studio in less than 5 minutes. First, make a script in the server script service. You can make it in the workspace also, but I prefer the server script service more as it keeps the script safer and more organized. Then write game.players.player added : connect parenthesis. Then in the parenthesis write function parenthesis, and in those parentheses write player. After the parenthesis write in, and then make a folder like this in the function. Write local leader stats is equal to instance.new parenthesis. In those parentheses write folder in quotation marks, player. After making the folder, we will set a name for it. For that, write leaderstats.name is equal to leaderstats in quotation marks. Make sure you have written the leader stats exactly like I have in all places, or else it won't work. Now we are going to make points in the leader stats. For that, write local points is equal to instance.new parenthesis. In those parentheses write in value in quotation marks, leader stats, then we will set a name for the points. Write points.name is equal to points in quotation marks. And now we have a leaderboard in less than 10 lines. You can add more variables to the leaderboard by just simply copying the way we made points and just changing the points to whatever you want, like XP. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more videos like these. I also script other people's games, so if you want to contact me, I will have the username and link to my Discord in the description. You can also find me on the Talent Hub by the name of Bonumisi. Also, tell me in the comments on what I should make a video on next time. That's it for today. See you next time.